Okay, I guess I'm recording. This is a tutorial on how to add my weekly podcast to my website. So, first I'm in my WordPress. That's not my phone, is it? No. First I'm in my WordPress site. I've logged in, and then I go to Posts, Add New. I don't have to worry about the date. The date's fine. I want it to be today's date, but I'm going to put it in the Run Run Live podcast. I go to the Word document, which you should have on hand. This is the show notes for all of my shows, and I'm going to select all of that. I'm going to say copy. I'm going to go back to here. Going to hit the little add word button there on the post toolbar. I'm going to do Control V or paste and put all this stuff right in here. See that? Great stuff. I'm going to say insert, and I'm going to put my title on it, episode 145, Jay Newton qualifies. I'm not sure if it likes me to do cut and paste here. Yeah, it lets that. You want to get rid of the special characters because WordPress falls over if you try to use dashes or question marks or periods or any of that stuff. So you do that, and then, you know, you might want to save a draft just in case something goes wrong. And then you want to insert the audio, and my audio is here, add audio, and I've already uploaded and imported this into the media library. So you go ahead to the media library, and there it is. There's my thing. I say show. It's episode 145, epi 145.mp3, blah 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 blah. Gonna say audio player. There we go, except this path is wrong. I don't need any of this crap in here. So everything after runrunlive.com all the way over to podcast episodes, you can delete. Delete. So it's runrunlive.com/podcast episodes, blah blah blah. That looks right. And we're going to say insert. Alright, I like to give people two choices for audio. That's the embedded player. I'm also going to give them the audio link. So I'm going to go back to audio, and I'm going to say from URL. Now I have the URLs in a text file over here. So basically the URL looks like this. I copy it, I paste it, so it says http://runrunlive.com podcast episodes epi, and this is going to change to 145. Insert, and I'm not quite done. I want to put my cursor in that little link there, hit the link button, go over here where it says target and say open in a new window. I like it to create a new tab if somebody clicks on that link. They can always right click and do save as well. Almost done. So the last thing I like to do is I like to put the show art in the post, so that'll show up. So I hit the add image button, and I have already imported this into the media library as well, and there it is, epi 145. I'm going to do show. I'm going to say right full size. That looks good to me. I'm just going to say insert, and then I'm going to hit. Actually, I am going to change the date here. I like to publish these on Fridays, so I'm going to make this November 5th as my publish date. And I'm going to hit publish. Everything looks good. There we go. There we go. I'm going to go look at this, view post. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Nope, doesn't blow up. That's all good. There's my post. Huh, wonder where my picture went. It's still loading. So I'll wait for it to finish loading. I think the picture is going to be right in here. Just got to think about it. It's thinking hard about that picture. So, and then I want to test this link, and it works. And then I want to test this link, and it works. See, it opened a new window. So I come back here. Oh, there's my picture. Alright, so my picture's good. Everything's cool. Take a little scan at this. Everything looks cool. Alright, done. And how do I stop this from recording? I hit F2.